The following segment is sponsored by PERC, Propane Education and Research Council. Now that the seasons are changing, it's the perfect time to get ready for cooler weather. HGTV star Matt Blashaw is teaming up with Energy for Everyone to give us tips to ready our families for the winter. Matt, great to see you. Welcome to the show.
Oh, thanks for having me, Carrie. Thank you.
Of course. So Matt, why is fall a good time to get our heating system checked?
Yeah, now is the time to prepare, not in the dead of winter when you're trying to find a maintenance guy to come out to your house through the snow. And experts are saying, I hate to say it, even the Farmer's Almanac is saying that we're going to have a very cold and wet winter. So what does winter mean to me? It means staying indoors more, being around friends and family, cooking like on the range behind me or sitting next to a fireplace. And propane makes it possible to do all of that. That's why we call propane an energy for everyone. And October 7th is National Propane Day. So now we want to talk about all things propane and how it can keep your family warm and comfortable this winter time.
Yes, very important. Okay, and what are a few heating maintenance tips that we should do right now?
Very easy. Open up your air vents. Sometimes we close them down during the summertime. You want that heat circulating around the house as much as you possibly can. And I go into some houses and I find that people do not replace their air filters for 8 months to 12 months. Sometimes in the dead of winter, you might be replacing that air filter in your furnace every month or every 3 months. Why? So you want that air circulating and moving through that furnace as fast as you possibly can to heat your home. Also, it's going to put less stress on the blower, which is going to increase the lifespan of that furnace as well. And if you're running into furnace problems, a maintenance problem, consider taking these great federal tax credits and upgrading to a propane powered furnace. So a standard electrical pump, which heats the air to about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, is very different from a propane-powered furnace. A propane-powered furnace will get that air to 115 to 125 degrees. Very efficient. You'll use less energy, and it will make your indoor feel very comfortable and warm.
Oh, those are great tips, Matt. Now, when I think of cold winter months, I often think of a roaring fireplace with the family. How much does a fire help heat a home?
Yeah, I love a fireplace. Practical, it's an effective way to increase the heat in the home. It works right alongside your furnace. And if you use a propane fireplace, like I prefer, it is 5 to 6 times more heating capacity than an electric fireplace. It's more energy efficient. It's a clean burner, which is important, and it's convenient to use. And what I don't like about a wood burning fireplace, I have to trudge out into the snow, go get wood, and then clean out the firebox and the flue at the end of the winter season. So for me, propane is the way to go for my fireplace.
Yes, making it easy for everyone. I love those tips. Matt, where can we go for more information?
For more information, and you can learn how propane can keep your family very comfortable and very warm this winter, just visit propane.com.
Amazing. You're getting us excited for the cold winter months. Thanks so much, Matt. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you.